Hello, everyone. I wanted to talk to you about the sculptural unit that we are going to enter into. Our overall leading question is, how do we create comfort in spaces? And in lesson one, we created an image of some sort that answered the prompt, where do you find comfort? And you guys have already posted those, and I appreciate all of those artworks that were handed in. It's great to look at. We will talk about it next week. Lesson two for this week is we're going to be learning about architecture. And lesson three, just a heads up, is going to be an element where we're designing our own architectural spaces. And then in lesson four, we'll be designing a space for people in need. So I just want to go over today's lesson, so learning about architecture. Next week on Thursday, this is due. So we are going to watch a brain pop video, and I have an activity sheet that you're going to go through. So I just want to talk about brain pop for a moment. The brain pop login is Balt Cops, and the password is brain pop. So I just wanted to go in and show you how we're doing this. I have the step-by-steps here, so you can see, but we're just clicking on these once they go on our screen. So I'm going to go in Brain Pop, and I'm actually going to log out and log in again so you guys can actually see this. So if you go to Brain Pop, you're going to log in over here, Bald Cops, and then I'm going to type in my, it's already saved, but I'm going to type it in, Brain. And it will log you into this page. Now, if you remember from that first site, if I click over, this is number one, so we're going to click on this. So I go into Arts and Music. Then it's going to take me to this page, and if we remember what number two is, it's Art Concepts. So I'm going to go into Art Concepts right here. And then I remember what it was, but just so you, in case you forgot, again, you can go here, Architecture. So the next thing is going to be Movie. So Architecture, lucky enough, it's right in this corner. And then you're going to click Movie. You can actually play it from here, and it will go through everything, okay? So this is how you get to the Brain Pop video. And then it does ask to take the quiz. I didn't do as well on my first try. I had to watch it again to get 2 answers right. So make sure you pay attention. Okay, so that's the first part of this assignment, is to do the brain pop and the quiz. The second part of this assignment is to read the article, click on the links if you want to learn more, and complete the 3 tasks at the bottom of the sheet. So this article, which I'm going to show you here, is a article that I created called Art at Home. And if we look at the kind of information up here, it says Architecture Intro, Around the Corner, and Design Challenge. So that's what will be in this document. There is 2 parts of this. You're just getting the first part. So I wanted to show here, when anything is underlined, it is actually a video that you can link to. So you guys can go there and look at Malta and just learn more about that space. And then also, if anything's underlined, it creates either a link to a website, to a video, or to imagery. So in this article, you're going to learn about architecture and the practice of designing and constructing buildings. The 3 activities that I'm asking you to do is to research your own architect or architecture, finding a building that you enjoy, and post a picture on the assignment page. Then I'm going to ask you to recreate a building. So maybe you want to make a famous building, or maybe your own home, or a place that you would like to live using any medium. What that means is you can create this out of markers and paper. You can create this out of Legos. You can create this out of clay. You can create this out of cardboard and tape. You can create this out of any medium. So medium equals material. So anytime you see that word, just know right away, medium equals material. So on your third activity, I'm going to ask that you praise or question. You look at your peers' work and post a question or praise about their work. This is going to be interesting because I've never done it before. So we're going to see how it works. If there's any kinks, I will try to correct them as we go. All right. I hope you enjoy your assignment this week. Remember, there are 4 things that we need to complete. Pretty easy. I would do the brain pop and the quiz in one day, and then I would maybe take another day to start working on your article that I have posted. For our next meeting, I also want you to think about and identify people in need and how we could create a space of comfort for them. That is going to be our topic of sharing for next Thursday. I wish you all a great day and a wonderful weekend. I will see all of your beautiful faces on Thursday. Enjoy.